Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Hello friends, how are you? Hope everyone is well. I warmly welcome to of you. Today I will speak on a very important topic: how to be successful on Facebook. Let me begin by saying Facebook is no longer just a communication platform. If used wisely, it can become a powerful tool for success in your personal or professional life. Suggest number 1. Set a clear goal. The first step is to know exactly why you want to succeed on your own Facebook. Is it for business, personal branding, sharing knowledge? Having a clear purpose will guide your entire journey. Okay. Suggest 2. Don't post randomly. Plan your content. Many people post anything and everything. That leads to losing audience interest. Instead, post content with purpose and planning. Whether it's videos, photos, or written post, make sure they are meaningful and relevant. Suggest number 3. Be consistent and regular. Success doesn't come with one viral post. You must show up regularly. When people see your content consistently, they start to trust you. Try to post at least 3-4 times a week at fixed times. Suggest number 4. Share quality and valuable content. Post content that helps people. It could be educational, motivational, informative, or entertaining. People should feel that they are gaining something from your post. That's how you build a loyal audience. Okay. Suggest number 5. Build a connection with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and appreciate your followers' support. Building a relationship increases trust, and trust brings growth. Facebook success is not solo. It's a community journey. Suggest number 6. Use Facebook Reel and go live. Reels and live videos reach more people. Go live from time to time. Share your thought, your work, your journey. It makes your presence more authentic and human. Suggest number 7. Use proper tags, hashtags, and captions. Use relevant hashtags so your content reaches a wider audience. Okay. Write catchy captions that spark curiosity. These little things matter a lot in social media success. Suggest number 8. Be patient and believe in your work. Success on Facebook does not happen overnight. Stay patient, keep improving, and have faith in your efforts. Remember, those who stay consistent are the ones who win in the end. Conclusion. So, if you follow these 4 pillars: planning, consistency, quality, content, and audience connection, inshallah, you will see success